So how do you choose what to make your portfolio of? There are so many different types of stocks, bunch of different industries, many sectors. How do you choose? Where do you concentrate? Where do you go? How do you start? Let's go through it all real quick. Right? I just want to give you a really brief overview. I'm not here to give you financial advice of any kind, just some of my personal thoughts and opinions through what I've seen through my time in the stock market, which is fairly limited, and through some of my research, which I will continue to more research. But let's get right into it. Why invest, right? That's first. Investing, the goal is to build your wealth over time, right? That's the first question. How to invest? You open a brokerage account, you begin funding with what you can afford to lose because you're new to this, so you don't want to put your life savings in there. You invest what you can afford to lose. Then you start researching companies, right? And what do you invest in? You invest in what you know first. Do research on what you know, right? For me, one of my first early successful investments is I've been a holder of Fortinet, right? FTNT, cybersecurity. I feel like I'm pretty aware of cybersecurity, or understood that there was demand for cybersecurity as the world continues to go digital. And the stock has performed very well for me since. It's given me nice returns, nice dividends, and it's just a great overall holding, right? And I found that through my thought process of, okay, I want to invest in data. Okay, how is data secured? Cybersecurity. Wait a minute, everything is on the internet. Cybersecurity isn't going anywhere. I got to invest part of my portfolio into this. That's how that thought process works for me personally. But you go from there. Invest in what you know, and you broaden your knowledge. And as you know more, you can invest in more. And as you have more knowledge, your conviction gets stronger, and then you can put in more money. And then the money you made before, hopefully, you can reinvest it, right? But you want to start slow. Don't take training wheels off too early. I will tell you, as a younger individual, I have traded Forex, options, crypto, futures, you name it. I've tried it, right? And it's the easiest thing for me, or thing that I've just found where I will have the most success and have had the most success. Buy good companies I believe in and hold for the long term and see if my conviction plays out. If my conviction doesn't play out, I take a loss. I understand. It's a part of the game, right? But when my conviction is strong, I hold for the long term and I see where things go. And I say, okay, is my thesis playing out right? Because there were so many times when I first started investing, my thesis would actually wound up being correct. I was like, I was saying this. I was literally saying this. I was saying this to you. I was saying this. This is what I would tell my friends. They're like, yeah, so why'd you sell early? And I'm like, yeah, I don't know. Why did I sell early? I'm literally just chasing trades always. Why don't I just hold? Let your winners ride, right? That's why they say, let your winners ride and trim your losers. Because otherwise, I was doing the opposite. I was cutting my winners early, and then I was chasing, like, oh, where's the next stock? Where's the next stock? And a lot of those wound up being losers because I was chasing, right? I didn't have that long-term patience and conviction, right? But that's just some general information when you think about starting a portfolio and just investing as a whole, especially in general individual stocks. But again, just my personal thoughts and opinions. Not a financial advisor. Have a great day.